So welcome to Short Story Long. This is,
Alia Shroff.
and she will be telling us or nerding out about.
Literary devices.
So, what's your favorite one, and what's a new one that you can tell us about?
So my all-time favorite has been the metaphor. I mean, it's very basic, bitch, but I find myself using metaphors constantly. Like, I think it's the one device that comes most naturally to me. But a literary device that I have like used a lot and read a lot, but I learned the name of it recently is polysyndeton. It's a rhetorical device that involves the deliberate use of multiple coordinating conjunctions like and or in very close succession. So against an asyndeton, which is no coordinating conjunction. So an example of asyndeton is I came, I saw, I conquered. So there's no conjunction over there. Whereas a polysyndeton would be I'm taking this off Google, it's not mine. um, Neither snow nor rain, nor heat nor gloom of night stays these couriers from the swift completion of their appointed rounds. So it's so fun because you use and repeatedly, and like I read and I jumped and I did this and I did that, and like it makes it very fun
How
to
ye
listen.
jawani hai diwani? You know the line where he's like मैं दौड़ना चाहता हूँ और मैं
Yeah,
भागना चाहता हूँ.
करना चाहता हूँ मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ. Yeah.
Yeah. It adds a
But he
little.
actually doesn't use coordinating conjunctions. He says, मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ नैना, मैं दौड़ना चाहता हूँ मैं ये. So there's actually no conjunction. So that
That's an
would
ace
actually
syndicate.
be asyndeton.
Oh
Asyndeton.
God,
Yeah.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Using asyndeton. Yeah.
No,
So
yeah.
we all use these devices. We might not just know. But another device I find myself using a lot is alliteration. I love alliteration so much. Like if you're just saying something very basic to your friend, but you end up using alliteration, I think it just adds a little whimsy to the conversation, and it's so cute.
Yeah, you're just like, oh my God, you gave so much thought to nothing. I love that.
I think just alliteration is the easiest um literary device that you can use like in daily communication with each other, and it just has like a little touch of whimsy. Cute.
You're daily dilly dallying.
There you go. Yeah.
So, in short story long, a language, even though it's made for communication, can be made so whimsical if you use.
Whimsical and fun. Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. And I feel like using like we've built up literary devices as these things like, oh my God, I'm reading a poem, what are the literary devices? And unnecessarily complicated when they're not. Like if you just read enough, like you'll just be using them. And we do use them all the time. Like even people who don't read do use them. We just don't know we use them. But if you know you use them, you can use them to your advantage to create effect. And that is so cool. It improves your communication skills. It emphasizes the message you're trying to say. Like we all use exaggeration and hyperbole all the time.
Yeah.
Like I slept for 1,000 hours. It's
Or most
exaggeration.
easiest.
Yeah, like exactly. But then you can use it to your advantage, and that's like so powerful.
Absolutely. Yeah, and it's very persuasive.
It's persuasive, and like I think there's no better feeling than when you know something very well and you can like use it to your advantage, which is why like having a vast vocabulary is fun, because then like you know the word for a particular situation or feeling and you can use it. Then like it'll come to your mind and you can use it, and that moment just feels like wow, like you have control and grasp over the language. Like it's like driving a car like that, you know very well, so
Yeah.
similar to that.
And an advantageous argument will always be like, really fun because now you're also doing it just to make the other person laugh or something. It doesn't even have to be something like, out of the way. It can just be like this nice joke that you have or something that makes you
Correct.
smile.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I believe pun is like the like worst. It's not a literary device, but I think it's the like lowest rung of humor. Like I don't enjoy puns.
Why? They are also so silly.
Yeah, I think that's my unpopular opinion. I
Yeah.
am not a pun lover. Like when someone make a pun, like I feel forced to like say, "Oh wow, well thought out, smart." But I'm just like, no,
Do
no.
better.
Do well. Yeah, yeah. I know like this is very unpopular, but I do not enjoy puns at all. And then I feel forced to like have a reaction when it's just like, oh, you could have just done better.
How did you find your food? The client, the customer says, good. The waiter is like, that's not what I meant. Because how did you find your food?
Find your food. Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
I find them amazing.
I really love the New York Times cartoons. Like I have an entire post and a story highlight dedicated towards it because it's so good.
Yeah.
Like there's one cockroach sitting at a restaurant, and so they put pictures and people put captions. A cockroach or some insect sitting at a restaurant ordering, and the waiter's like in shock. And he's like, I know I don't usually eat here. I usually eat in the back, but like I'm here all the time. Why are you so shocked? I mean, the way they phrase it was much better. I'm
It's still
paraphrasing.
hilarious to me, just imagining
It
a
was so
cockroach.
funny. Yeah.
Yeah. So see, even that is just great literature, if nothing else.
It is literature. That's what I'm saying. That's the one question I ask everyone. Who decides what is good literature and good art? Who decides it? Ask that question instead of asking, is this good or bad? Who is deciding it? Whose checklist are you using? Who created that checklist in your mind? That subconscious checklist that you don't check. You're not checking the checklist. If you know what I mean.
I want everyone who's listening to identify all the devices she used in that sentence. I love
I
it.
don't think that many.
Let them
But yeah.
think. It's okay. It's their
Yeah, let them
homework.
waste your time.
Yeah.
Of course.
Thank you so much. That was great.
Thank you.